Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for your lovely support. Okay, so in the description box I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick a card reading is magical things coming your way. So this is the winner. I had done a poll and this topic got the most views, so I'm doing it today. Okay, so yeah, so remember, these are general reading and timeless reading. So whenever you watch this reading is for you, and these are general reading also, so take what resonates, leave the rest behind. Okay, the timestamps will be in the description box. So we have 3 groups over here. This is my new deck. It's called the Sacred Forest, very magical deck. I just received this yesterday, so I just fell in love with this deck. I liked it very much. So if you want to flip through, please comment. So maybe I'll do that also if you want to flip through of this deck. Okay. So we have 3 groups over here. I've kept the cards and crystals, so you can select that calls to you, the pile that calls to you intuitively, or if any of these images spark a memory in you, just take that also into consideration. So for group number 1, it's rose quartz. We have bee spirit. Group number 2, we have carnelian. Okay, and for group number 3, we have tiger's eye. So close your eyes, relax, and select a pile that calls to you intuitively. So I'm going to start with group number 1. Number 1, if you chose this rose quartz crystal and this card, then this is your reading. So let's see what magical things are coming your way. Prosperity, yeah, happiness, growth. Prosperity can be in terms of money, like emotional well-being. So that is what I feel like. But here, if you are worried about your career, I feel there is going to be a lot of growth in your career. So keep on working, because bees are very, very hardworking, right? So it's time to do the work. It's time to put your focus on the things you want to achieve in your life. So the energy goes where the focus is, right? If you focus on the work will grow. But if you will focus on the lack, right? Oh, even if I do this work, it will not reap me that much benefits. If your focus is on that, the energy will be there. The energy will be in the lack. So your energy is good. You know, this is you can make this happen. So if you believe in yourself, if you believe in your work, and if you have that positive attitude towards your work, there is a lot of prosperity coming, because bees give us sweet honey, right? So yes, you are going to get that sweet rewards. So have that positive thoughts and you're going to reap your rewards. So that is the first card telling you. Okay, that is the thing. And then Grace, look, I feel your ancestors are around you, like this person has given you a gift, right? There is a box, there is a treasure. So for some of you, you are going to receive a gift of audience. I'm getting that is going to be very magical, right? So you are going to listen to spirit messages. So for some of you, yeah, definitely audience. So if you when you meditate, maybe you will be able to receive a lot of messages. So don't worry, I feel your treasure is protected. You are very protected. Yeah, there will be people who will try to say, yeah, this work is not going to work. They will tell you, right? But you know your truth, right? So your ancestors are saying, stick to that. You don't have to prove, or you don't have to argue with them. Be honest with yourself. And when you're honest with yourself, when you're honest with your work, you will thrive. No one can block your success. Okay, so instead of proving your point, just understand that some people will not understand our point of view. So it's better to do the things you want to do. So instead of focusing your your energy onto that arguments, oh why are they saying like this, why they don't trust me, instead of putting your attention onto that, just put your attention onto your work, onto the things you want to achieve, and let your success speak, right? It's better to do that. Let the actions speak. Like uh, instead of just speaking, just let them see you grow. Let them see you achieve that success. Okay, that is what I feel. Yeah, that is what your spirit guides and angels are saying. So if you are feeling, maybe you are in this career, you have to make a career choice. For example, if you want to make a career choice, go with it. Yeah, there will be people who will tell you that you are not going to thrive in it or and all. Don't listen. Listen to your gut feeling. Listen to the spirit, because right now spirit is speaking to you. You are receiving a lot of messages, so trust that. That is a magic, like clairaudience. Yeah, that is your magical power. Yeah, emotional withdrawal. So with this 8 of Cups energy, it's important for you to understand that everyone will not have the point of view that you have, right? Maybe the thing that is working for them might not work for you. So don't try to put, like sometimes what happen, our parents say that this is the way I did, this is why I became successful, this is why I did this, that's why I am not successful. They will tell a lot of things, right? So instead of listening first to them, first listen to yourself, your heart, and let go of that limited beliefs. Okay, so this is the time to do that. When you let go of that limited beliefs, when you listen to yourself, because spirit is speaking to you guys, so that is all you need to do. You need to listen to yourself. And when you let go of other people's expectations, sometimes that is the problem. I feel for you guys, the thing that is coming in between you and your success is the expectations of other. Maybe it's your parents, maybe it's your friends, or whatever it is. So that is blocking you. So it's time to let go of other people's expectations and focus on your own expectations. Okay, and when you will do that, that is when you will feel stable. So like we have 8 of Cups and we have 4 of Wands, right? So for some of you, it's like you need to let go of your family beliefs. So there is some kind of beliefs that you need to let go. Maybe your family is like, you have to do this 9 to 5 job only. This thing only will give you success. You cannot do something like YouTube, like Instagram, that is not going to give you benefits, that they will not give you security. So your parents or your friends are maybe saying that to you, and because of that you're feeling like, but inside, sometimes you feel it inside that yes, you can make it, right? But at the same time, there are people telling you that you will not be able to make it. So the magic is like, you will be able to make it. You will be, but you need to focus on that. Instead of focusing on their opinion, their expectation, you need to focus on yourself right now. And when you do that, you will be able to maybe buy a home for yourself, right? So yeah, that is what it is. Look at the rainbows. Yeah, sometimes we have to go through that emotional, like a tower moment inside of you, right? You don't know what to do. Oh, I want to do this, at the same time my parents are saying that I will not be able to achieve it, or the society is saying I'll not be able to do it, but you want to do it. So it's time to listen to your heart. Yeah, there will be some sort of emotionally you will feel very bad, or there will be like a tower moment inside of you, but you will be able to overcome. That is why these rainbows are here, right? Miracles are coming. All you need to do is believe in your work, believe in your own creativity, believe in your hard work. When you do hard work, just put that positive thoughts. When you work with joy. Okay, look, we have passion and pleasure. So yeah, work with your passion. So yeah, definitely there is a passion you have, like you have a passion. Maybe you want to just sing songs and your parents are like, no, that is not going to work. Yeah, and you're like, inside of you that is what you want to do, this is what you crave for, And so just focus on that and do it with joy, with pleasure. You have that passion inside of you. Work hard, but at the same time, have positive thoughts about it and enjoy life. Dance. Like, you don't have to prove to anyone. I feel your family loves you a lot. I feel for some of you it's like your family loves you a lot. They treat you like a child, and that's why they're giving you advice. But the magical thing is, like, you know it, you're so connected to the spirit and you know it that you want to pursue your passion, but they're not understanding. So you don't have to make them understand, just do it anyways, and just let your, I told you that let your success speak and you will be successful. Look, protected by angels. What do you want? That is a magic. Your angels are giving you the messages, listen to it. And you are cherished by the angels. Archangel Michael is supporting you, he is guiding you, he is giving you the messages. So meditate, listen to yourself, listen to the guidance, the loving guidance that they are giving you. Don't ignore it, and don't let, sometimes what happens, other people's opinion take over that lovely guidance that they are giving to us. So don't let that happen. You're very protected. You're going to be very secure with this 4 number. Look, foundation and achievements. You're going to achieve your desires. So just focus on that, not focus on the lack of it. Like, oh, then maybe your parents will be like, oh, look at her, they will compare, she did that and she has failed, and you will be like, oh, what if I fail? Don't focus on that failure. Focus, yes, I will win, because there are so many people doing that also, right? So don't focus on the lack. Focus on the things that makes you happy. Follow the people who inspire you. Follow the people who give you that positivity. So whenever you feel that negative thoughts again, just focus on the positive thoughts. Like, just watch the video of the person who inspires you, right? That is what you need to do, I feel. And look, 3 of Cups and 8 of Pentacles. So you are going to be very happy with your work. That is what I feel. So there is some magic. So if you want to study something, like something very different, go for it, because you are going to celebrate it. Like, that is what I feel. Whatever you are passionate about, because we have passion here, we have Bee Spirit here, because you want to do this. Even though you are ready to do the hard work, because you love this thing, right? So go for it, because this thing will give you happiness. You are going to form a community, like, where other people, they will also like the things you like, that kind of friends who will understand you. This thing will bring that together. There is a lot of friendship also, like unexpected friendship, like a soulmate connection I'm feeling with the 3 of Cups, like a group of 3 friends. They are each, they understand you, you understand them. So yeah, that is the magical friends. Yeah. So look at the butterfly. We have this blue butterfly. A lot of opportunities will present to you guys. So don't lose hope right now. You are very protected. You're secure. So just dance to the, just dance and enjoy your life. That is what your spirit guides wants you to know. Enjoy your work, enjoy your passion, and then you will enjoy it and do without stress or worry. Sometimes what we do is, like, we want to prove it to other people. Instead of proving, just enjoy your work and give your best, give your 100%. Okay, that is also important. So yeah, that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, let's see what magical things are coming your way. This is the card you chose, and this is the crystal you chose, carnelian. So you're going to be very courageous. Be courageous, guys. Don't lose hope. Have faith in yourself. That is the first message. And the magical things that is coming your way is new beginnings. Look at the color. Look at the color of this card. It's so beautiful. The cards are so beautiful, right? And look, there is a fairy who is helping you. The fairy is telling, don't take life too seriously. Have fun, okay? And look at the flowers, the yellow color flowers. it is so bright, so the sun is going to shine on you. New beginnings. Look at the number 10. So there is a completion. So you are completing a cycle and you are entering into a new phase of your life. Like it can be a new relationship, it can be a new project. So if you're planning to start a new project, if you're planning to buy that home, if you're planning to buy that new car, just go with it. Don't doubt, because that is happening. A new beginning is coming. If you're trying to manifest travel, if you want to travel, just focus on that thing, because that's happening for you guys. So a new beginning is coming, a new start. So maybe for some of you it can be like you're starting a meditation routine and you will be successful at it. Maybe you are starting a new diet, you will be successful at it. Maybe you want to start a business, you will be successful at it. So whatever you're going to start, this is the perfect time to start without doubting, without hesitating. Okay, yeah, this card also says the same thing, like manifesting your dreams. This is the time for new beginnings, to manifest your new dreams. So if you have a desire, if you have a new dream, just go with it, manifest it. Like do scripting, do visualization, because you will be able to manifest your desire. Or maybe you can use water for manifestation, that will also help you. So yeah, there is a new beginning, and this new beginning of yours will be very successful. So maybe if you want to start that YouTube channel, go for it and do that scripting, do that law of attraction techniques, because it will work for you. Okay, that is what is happening for you guys. If you want to relocate to some other country, manifest that is also possible. So yeah, so your dreams and desires are coming true, but you should not doubt it, and you should have faith. That is the only thing your spirit guides are telling. Okay, slowly but surely everything is going to manifest for you guys. So don't think too much of timing, but this is the time to start anything in your life. If you want to do something, you can go for it. You will be able to achieve it. At least plan for it, manifest for it. Okay, so let's see what else. But I'm seeing a lot of success for you guys. Okay, shadow and triumph. Okay, yeah, success again, triumph, chariot energy. You're going to succeed. And we have a horse. I'm feeling very travel. Maybe you want to travel or something. That is going to happen magically for you guys. Maybe you will think, yeah, I'll not be able to travel. Then suddenly everything will be okay and you will be able to travel. Something like that, I feel. So yeah, if you're manifesting, if you want to travel, don't stress about it. Don't doubt. Don't do that. Just be calm, and everything will be all right. Okay, so yeah, and for some of you, yeah, chariot, movement, forward momentum, new beginning. You're starting something new and this thing is gonna take off. Okay, and we have the moon energy, the shadow, and again the number 9, completion of some sort of thing. So maybe you were doing the shadow work, maybe you were releasing your fears, and so that's why this is the new start for you guys. You're not the past self you're not the past, you're not that person anymore. You have evolved, right? You have changed a lot. Your perception about life has changed. You have done the inner work. I feel for many of you, you have been doing the inner work. Maybe you have been focusing on your spirituality, on your beliefs. What are your limited beliefs? Maybe you have been releasing that limited beliefs of yourself, about you. Sometimes we have a lot of limited beliefs, right? So you were focusing on that and you're doing good. You're doing good. You are understanding now that you can achieve anything, and be like that, guys, because you can achieve anything. Nothing is impossible, right? Because the word impossible is also I am possible. You can make anything happen, and that is your magic. For you guys, the magic is within. Your power is within. If you think that you can do it, you will be able to do it. You have that manifestation power. Okay, that is your magic. And yes, you have been, I feel for this pile, you are very knowledgeable people. You know about the laws of universe, how universe work. Maybe you have been doing that study for the past year. So yeah, now it's time to experience it. Like sometimes we just read a lot of books, and we don't apply it to our life. So this is also a message to apply that thing into your life. Like if you have been doing that law of, if you have been reading about law of attraction, apply it and see the result. You will, if you believe, you will see the result. Okay, so yeah, let's see what else. So we have Three of Pentacles. Okay, so if you will work with groups, you will be very, very successful. That is also I am feeling. So if you are planning to start something with your friends, or if you are planning to collaborate with other people, it will be very successful. Your ideas will be very successful. People will appreciate you. You will be recognized. And we have Four of Pentacles. Look, we have Three of Pentacles and Four of Pentacles. So I feel your work is going to be very stable, very secure. So maybe you want security, financial security. So I see that is coming for you guys. Maybe you're manifesting money. So yes, money is coming. Money and travel is the thing. Money, growth and money, growth, overall growth. I feel you're spiritually growing. You're understanding a lot of things. You're learning a lot of new things that you didn't know that it existed, like something new information. And because of it, because of this new information, you're becoming more stable inside of you. Sometimes we are so unstable, we don't have that stability, we are not balanced. Sometimes we are not balanced, we don't, our emotions are not balanced. You're going to be very balanced. That is what I feel. So yeah, stability, security. If you want to buy that home, you will be able to. Okay, if you want to travel, you will be able to. I'm getting that only strongly here. And teamwork, you are a team player. And if you're trying to do everything by yourself, this is an advice from your spirit guides, that don't try to do everything by yourself. Instead, you can seek help. You will get help. Okay, in teams, you will, if you work in teams, you will get the success very quickly, something like that. Okay, we have like Six of Cups and Ace of Swords. So for some of you, it's like some truths are coming out. Like you are realizing why things didn't happen in the past. Right? Sometimes we need that clarity. You're getting your clarity. You're getting like you're understanding why things didn't manifest. Certain things didn't manifest for you in the past. Maybe your career was not that good in the past, or why your relationship failed, or why this person did this to you. So you're understanding that. You're like an eagle. I feel like eagle. Like eagle has a very broader view, right? They can see through. They have such a higher view. This is what you are. Right now you are getting that higher view. You know what is working for you, what will not work for you, what thoughts are good for you, what thoughts are not good for you. And you are the magician. That is the thing. That is your magic. You're the magician. You can manifest anything. If you focus on the bad thoughts, you can manifest that. If you focus on the good thoughts, you can manifest that. I feel this pile is very aware. If you're not aware right now, I feel you will be aware. A lot of awareness is coming to you guys about the universe, about everything. So yeah, a lot of clarity, lot of connection with the spirit, because with this moon energy is also about the spiritual gifts. For some of you, you have that like that spiritual gift of clairvoyance. I'm getting. You can see the bad side of yours as well as the good side of yours. Sometimes we need to balance that, right? So that is what you need to do with that shadows. You need to accept your shadow self. At the same time, you can try to change yourself, because and I'm getting this, like thoughts are very important. So you are only the one who can change your thoughts, right? You can only do it for yourself. No one else can do it for you. Or if you're trying to change someone, don't try to do it, because you will not be able to change their thoughts. They have to do it. But you can give them guidance, but you cannot try to. If you're trying to fix someone, don't do it, because you will not be able to do it. They will just get irritated. So that is also important here. But a lot of clarity, a lot of answers are coming your way, and you'll be like, wow, at that time I was feeling so bad that why this happened. Now I'm realizing that just happened for my growth, right? So you're going to accept that whatever challenges you faced in the past was for your own good. You're having a better understanding. That is what I feel. Look, yeah, finding sanctuary, opening to your spiritual source. So you are going to get your answers by, you will get your answers. You don't have to depend on anyone. You will get it by yourself. Your divine will give you the answers. All you need to do is meditate, ground your energy, sit with it. If you have a question in your mind, ask yourself, sit there quietly for 10 to 20 minutes, you will get your answer. That is your magic. Everyone cannot do that. Like if your mind is like chattering, you can stop that chatter. You have that magic, and you can achieve anything you desire to. And look, faraway places, again, travel, get ready for new horizons. So yeah, I feel like maybe you are like, oh, next 2-3 months nothing will happen, everything will be the same. But I feel unexpectedly things will happen for you guys. You're going to go faraway places. So don't try to be in the comfort zone. Okay, if something is happening, if you're getting an opportunity, take that opportunity, grab that opportunity. Don't be afraid. Okay, don't fear. Get out of your comfort zone, guys. So maybe there is a tendency for you guys to be in your comfort zone. So that is the only thing you have to work on. Like, take a risk, move with it, because you're going to go faraway places. Mentally, you are actually you're like, you're understanding a lot of things that other people will not understand. Lot of information is coming your way. Lot of exciting things I feel for you guys. Like suddenly moving to a different country, different location, suddenly you're getting some money and you're investing in something. Like, sudden things I'm feeling, sudden clarity. And because when we have our answers, we take steps, right? We move forward. We are not in that fearful energy. So that is what I feel for you guys. Yeah, you're magical. That's what you need to know now. You are magical. Okay, bye bye, group number 2. Group number 3, if you choose this tiger's eye, let's see what magical things are coming your way. The first card here, we have stillness. Okay, so before taking a decision, you need to think things through. Okay, when you think, when you take some time off, when you are in this deep silence, you will receive all your answers. So I feel with this 33 number, 33 number is a very divine number. It's a connection with divine. So you're making that connection. You can make that connection stronger if you get into meditation. Or if you don't like meditation, just sit quiet for some time. You will have your answers. So if you are feeling if you're feeling stuck right now in your life, if you don't know what to do, okay, so this is the time to reflect. It's the time to sit quiet and think. You will get your answers. Okay, so it's not the time to take quick decisions. It's the time to reflect and then focus on your decision and then take action. Okay, so yeah, look, we have, your magic is that you're getting lot of knowledge. We have this air spirit here, and air is about mental, right? Air is like communication. You're receiving a lot of communication. I feel that is the thing right now. That is the magical thing for you guys. You are receiving a lot of answers to your questions. If you are feeling very stuck, you will be out of that stuck period, but you need to think. So if you are stuck, if you don't know what you need to do in your career, or if you're feeling that feeling stuck about your relationship, whatever it is, it's time to be still, think about it, and then make that communication. So if you want to say something to someone, before, sometimes we do things like that. We make decisions very quickly, like I want to confront this person, and you will just go and confront it, and it will be a very, and maybe you will regret it later. So instead of doing that, just sit quiet, think about it, and then make a decision. And when you will think, your mind will be very, very clear. You will get the answers. That is the thing, right? And look, we have this movement card. You're moving forward. So if you're that is the magic. If you're mentally stuck, if you're feeling very anxious about certain things, you're moving forward in your life. Okay, that is the thing. Let's see what else. Yeah, positive movement forward and light. You're moving towards light. So yeah, right now I feel for this pile, you're a little bit feeling very stuck. you're a little bit in the dark side and you don't know what to do. So spirit is like giving you lot of light. Okay, look at that, this person she's like, wow, so much light, I have not seen light for so long. And that's why, you know, sometimes when light comes suddenly our eyes close. That is what is happening. You're going to receive so much light, so you're moving from your dark period to a light. So things are changing for you guys, you're going to move forward. So it's the time to focus on the things you want to achieve in your life. So if you have a plan, so instead of like being impatient about it, think through, be patient, and then take the next steps. Okay, so because no one can stop, you are going to move forward anyways. So don't let other people's opinion make you stressed. Sometimes that happens, right? Because if other people, sometimes some people will say that and we try to argue, and that argument will give you nothing, right? It will only stress you out more. So instead of arguing, just sit quiet and think through things and then make a decision and then go for it. Okay, because I feel, because with this we have this 8 of Pentacles energy, maybe you're very stressed about your finances, about your career, whatever it is. So just, it's time to think, it's time to reflect, it's time to get into stillness, and through this stillness you will find light. The light is within you. Okay, so remember that there is happiness coming your way, lot of happiness. That is the magic, lot of happiness, lot of sunshine, lot of warmth, lot of joyful times. For some of you, if you have been trying to conceive, I feel that is also going to happen for you guys. So what happens when we try to conceive is, people will have a lot of stories to say, right? Oh, this didn't happen, you go visit that doctor, you do that, blah blah blah, lot of opinions. So instead of getting into that, sit with yourself, connect with spirit, and you will have your answers. Okay, so what feels right to you, do that. Okay, yeah, you can take other people's opinions, okay, but you need to make a decision what is best for you and then take action. Okay, so that is the thing. So whatever your case may be, if it's about conceiving or it's about childbirth, maybe you are pregnant and people are saying this, do that, do this, and it's stressing you out. Or maybe you Google a lot about the things and it's stressing you out. So everything is going to be okay. So you are putting yourself in this dark period by overthinking, over stressing. So you need to get out of it. So through stillness you will get that knowledge and you will be out of that. Okay, let's see what else. Oh yeah, we have 8 of Cups. Yeah, you are going to be out of that situation. I feel like it's time to let go of other people's opinions. That is the thing. Let go of that fear. Okay, let go of that past. Maybe in your past, for some of you, I don't know, I'm feeling like that. Maybe you lost a child in past, and because of that you're very very worried. So don't be, let that go, release that fear, and be like, what is the word, like, be hopeful. Yeah, because we have light here. It's time to be hopeful. Be hopeful that things will be all right, and give all the stress to the divine. Okay, look, we have Empress. So yes, if you're planning to conceive, I see that as happening, but it's your choice whether you want to be in the past energy or you want to get out of that past energy. So it's time to release that fear. For some of you, definitely I see a very strong soulmate connection also, but for that you need to release that past person. For that you need to release your ex. If there is an ex, release that. So if for you guys, it's like you have a good, very bright future for you guys, but for some of you, you are in that past, the dark past of yours. You're thinking about it. So this, now make a decision that I need to get out of my past, I need to release that, and for releasing that you need to connect with yourself, you need to get into stillness and then make decisions. For some of you, I see that you're making your decision based on your past situations. Don't do that, because that will not be good for you guys. So don't make your situation, oh, in this past this happened, that's why I did it. So don't do that, because you're thinking about the past and you're like, no, I don't want this scenario again. So what is happening when we do that? you're like, oh no, 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 I don't want it, and I don't want it. You are like focusing on that, oh, what if this comes to me, what if this comes to me, right? So you're focusing on that thing. You don't want to do that, you don't want that thing anymore, so don't focus on that. That is the thing, release that. Okay, and look, we have the Empress. So yeah, if you're conceiving, the child will be healthy. Okay, so, and if you are trying, so yeah, for some of you this is a new person is waiting for you guys, and you are like in the past, so release that past fear. Okay, so yeah, so it's time to reflect what is good for you and what is not good for you, and then think about it and then take a decision. Okay, if for example, in my case, when I was pregnant, I used to Google about what happens at this week, and then there will be a lot of stories that how they lost their baby, or what this happened, that happened, and I was so stressed that I couldn't enjoy my pregnancy, right? Because I was constantly in the fear of that. And if now when I think, I'm like, why did I do that to me? Right? I should have just experienced that good feeling, right? I should have just enjoyed, and instead of enjoying what I was doing, I was stressing. It was of no use, right? So that is what I feel Spirit is saying. That's why maybe I just told you that. And now if I think about it, I was like, what was I even doing? Why I was Googling? Everything was fine. Then why was I putting myself in that state of fear, on the state of negative thinking? Why? So that is your question. Why are you doing that to yourself? If it's resonating, because you're the Empress. Be kind to yourself, be compassionate to yourself, take care of yourself, okay, nurture yourself. So if you want to eat that food, eat it. Don't think too much. Sometimes we are like, oh, if I eat this, I will gain weight. So if you're pregnant, if you're focusing on your weight, don't do that. Enjoy that path, okay, enjoy. So whatever your situation, I just told the situation that this is, it might resonate differently for other people. So if you're worried about your career, sometimes we just worry, and maybe you like this work, the work you're doing, but at the same time you're like, oh, what if this doesn't give me that money? So instead of enjoying your work, what you're doing is stressing. So your spirit guides are like, no, don't stress, enjoy that. And when you will enjoy that, everything will be all right. Even if you're stressed, you cannot change the outcome, right? So enjoy that, enjoy your life, enjoy now, like enjoy the good things that you have, okay, and let go of that past fear, let go of that past beliefs about you. Maybe you have some past beliefs, you need to let go of that, okay, because you're the Empress. You're gonna shine, you're gonna reap your rewards, you're gonna get everything you want, because Empress has everything. She's so abundant, okay. Yeah, don't worry guys, look, unknown territory, you don't know what is going to happen in the future, so there is no point in worrying. So you are exactly where you need to be. So your spirit guides know more. So they are like, you're exactly where you need to be. Maybe you need to, if you're in a dark period right now, don't think about it too much, because this is the correct thing for you guys. You are exactly where you need to be. So through this you will get out, you will see a lot of light. Maybe you're making too much scenarios in your head. For example, because of this COVID situation, we make, oh, war, a lot of people are dying, this, and you are getting more negative, right? Instead of focusing too much on that negativity, focus on your mental health, have positive thoughts. It's okay to have. You don't have to feel guilty, oh, people are dying, why I'm doing this, how can I be positive? For some of you, that might be the problem. Don't think too much, okay? Make your mental health a priority, okay? Yeah, staying focused, hold the course. Maybe you want to do something at the, sometimes you're like, I want to enjoy my work, I'm going to do it. And then you open your Instagram page, and then you see all the news that is happening, and you're like, oh my God, why is this happening? How can I stop it? Like, because you cannot stop it, right? First of all, that is the thing. Only what you can stop is your own fears, your own thinking, your own thoughts. That is what you can do. So when you are doing something, focus on that. Instead of that, don't focus on other things, okay? I told in first group also, like, where your focus is, your energy will be there. So remember that, okay? So yeah, if you focus on the good things in life, you will reap the good things. So that's the thing. But there's a lot of light, there is a lot of hope that is coming for you guys. So don't stress right now. And you're getting a lot of new information. I feel like Spirit is giving a lot of knowledge, and I feel you will be making decisions very wisely. So make decisions wisely. So I feel like you will be doing that, and this message is for you. That's why this message is for you guys. Right now you're hearing this message because it's saying that make decisions wisely, and you will make it. I know that. Okay. So that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.